Right, so going to go over Bitcoin again. If you watch my video yesterday or Saturday, I think I uploaded it, I said, I believe the top's in now. We're not going to get another high, and we're going to come down in this blue ABC pattern here. I then didn't put any trades on Sunday, as I was just waiting for confirmation on Monday morning, and now I wish I had. Because I woke up, and if we zoom in here, we can see we've had a massive drop, which has actually come down nearly 5k overnight. Oh, hold on, let me just get some of this off the screen. No, I need that on the screen at the minute. So basically the bottom, as you can see, the bottom of this red candle here. So basically it's, 4,500 you come down. So I'm pretty sure that this is the start of the larger ABC pattern now. Now I've done some calculations, and this box here should be where the A wave ends. It could also end up further down here, which is probably a possibility, as it will then test the top of the main resistance and support area from the last 10 years or so on Bitcoin. It's the most like I just said, the most support and resistance in any area at all in the charts if you look across. So I wouldn't be surprised if it did touch top of that. And like I said in the video yesterday as well, I think that will happen. Oh God, I'm going to have to zoom back out again. Then I think in January, the ETF will be approved, and we will get the B wave up, which will get everyone going crazy and everyone will want to buy again. And then it's going to slam down into the third wave and probably end up down at 25k. I've said in numerous videos that my main target is 25k. And at the minute, I'm sticking with that. But we could end up anywhere between 34 all the way down to 15k, which is right down here. Sorry, it's even lower than that. It's this blue line here. So we could actually end up down at this line here, just over 15k again. Personally, I don't think that'll happen. I don't think they'll drag it down that much, but they definitely could. But it looks like what I said the other day was correct, as it's now playing out nicely. And we've come down far enough now for us to say that we are in the new stage, in a new wave, and we're looking to head to the downside. So if I zoom in quickly from the top, hold on, I'm gonna have to zoom in again. Right, so what I'd be expecting to play out now is going to be a 5-wave pattern like this. So we start at the top. We've got the wave 1 that come down to about 40k today. I think it was like here. We've just had the wave 2 up. And when we break the low from last night, then we have confirmation we are in this wave 3, and then we should end up down here. Oops, I've done that wrong. I'll just finish that off and then move it. So yeah, the 3 should come down to about here. The 4 should come up there, and the 5 should end up down in this bottom yellow box. So this is what we're looking at playing out now. We also could just get a 3-wave move down to here, and then it stops and then goes up into the B wave and down. So either or, but I'm tracking a 5-wave move down at the minute. We'll have to see if we get any resistance in this sort of area here. But considering I've already planned out this A wave to come down to this area here, and now it's started playing out and the calculations work out exactly there again, I'd probably say more than likely going to come down to here. This is where it gets fun, because most people who trade crypto and can't read stock charts will see this come down to the bottom here of this 5-wave move, and it will be at 35k or 34k, and by then it will be extremely oversold, so we're ready for a bounce. Now all these crypto influencers are going to be like, we've had the pullback, we're going to the moon, and you know what, we're going to go up again, but we're going to go up in the B wave. And like, I wish they had an 8-hour chart. This is a fucking joke having to go from 4-hour to daily. Can't fit nothing on your screen. So we're going to get down here and they're all going to go, we're going to the moon, going to the moon. And as they're saying that, we're going to get a move up in a B wave, and B waves are phony and they're fake, and they also trick you. So this works out perfect. So I think this, as I said in the last video, this is what's going to happen, and everyone in the crypto world's going to be on board here. Everyone's going to have seen this massive pullback and go, yeah, we've come up to this far now, we're definitely going to all-time highs up here, and we're going to fail, maybe even retest the top, just to push it, and just to suck more people into buying as well. And then it's going to come down hard into the C wave. It's just inevitable. But, of course, as always, we monitor it as we go along, as you just never know. Things can change. We might not even get a 5-wave move down here. As I just said, we might get a 3-wave move, then get the bounce, and then get the large C wave down. So we'll just have to wait and see. But yeah, as once again, the last video is spot on, and it's looking like we're carrying on down into that path now.